What's up guys, it's Carlos from Your House Fitness, and today we're going to be talking about the hamstrings. So in today's video we're going to go over the hamstrings. We're going to go over the function of the hamstrings, the anatomy and the three muscles that make up the hamstrings, and some stretches for the hamstrings. So if that's what you're looking for, you came to the right video. So let's start off by talking about the function of the hamstrings. The hamstrings are made up of three muscles: the biceps femoris, the semitendinosus, and semimembranosus. These are located in the back of your thigh. They play a crucial role in activities like walking or running. The movements that hamstrings are responsible for are knee flexion and hip extension. They also play a role in rotation of the lower limb. So now that we know what the hamstrings do, let's break down the muscles individually. So as I mentioned before, the hamstrings are made up of three muscles. First, we'll talk about the biceps femoris. The biceps femoris is the most lateral muscle of the hamstrings. It is located on the outer part of the thigh. The biceps femoris is the only muscle in the hamstring group that has two heads. So there are 2 points of origin. The short head of the biceps femoris originates from the linea aspera of the femur, and the long head of the biceps femoris originates from the ischial tuberosity. Both heads insert laterally to the head of the fibula. Now let's talk about the semitendinosus and semimembranosus. Both muscles are situated more on the medial part of the thigh. The semitendinosus originates from the ischial tuberosity and runs down the back of the thigh. It then inserts on the upper part of the tibia, right below the knee. The semimembranosus also originates from the ischial tuberosity, but inserts in the back of the medial epicondyle of the tibia. Both muscles assist in knee flexion, hip extension, and medial rotation. So now that we know the three muscles that make up the hamstring and their functions, here are some exercises you can do to target the hamstrings. Now for hamstring exercises, I like to split them up into 2 different groups, more of a knee dominant and a hip dominant exercise. One to target knee flexion and the other one to target the hip extension. So for knee flexion exercises, you can do exercises like a Nordic curl, a hamstring curl, or a Swiss ball curl. All these exercises you can progress and regress, and if you want to read more about them, check out our blog. For hip extension, you could do exercises like a Romanian deadlift, a hip thrust, or a glute bridge. The key here is to really feel that stretch in the hamstrings. And again, if you want to read more about these exercises, you could check out our wellness follow and read the blog we have about them. So now you know a couple exercises to target the hamstrings. But it's equally important to stretch the hamstrings to maintain flexibility and prevent injury. Here are some stretches you can do to target the hamstrings. Number 1, a standing hamstring stretch. Stand with one foot in front of the other, toes pointed forward. Keeping your back straight, hinge forward at the hips. Reaching towards your toes, hold this stretch for 20 to 30 seconds each leg. Number 2, a seated hamstring stretch. Sit on the ground with one leg extended in front of you and the other one bent. That bent foot placed against your inner thigh. Leaning forward from the hips, reaching towards your toes. Hold this stretch for 20 to 30 seconds each leg. And number 3, a supine hamstring stretch. Lay flat on your back with one leg extended straight up towards the ceiling. Loop a towel or resistant band around your foot and gently pull your leg towards you until you feel a stretch in your hamstrings. Hold this for 20 to 30 seconds on each leg. Now remember, with any of these exercises or stretches, listen to your body and stay within a comfortable range of motion. Consistency and proper form are key for achieving optimal results and preventing injuries. So that is it for the video for the hamstrings. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And once again, if you guys liked the video, leave a like and subscribe. You can also read more about the hamstrings on our wellness follow. Link will be in the description down below. I hope you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.